Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C53 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so simply check it and then come back to this video. Let's open the developer options, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on, so if you've got it turned off, if you want to activate it, just tap on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.